Are you tired of your gaming controller drift ruining your play sessions? Today we're introducing DriftGuard, a maintenance tool designed to help you test, diagnose, and fix analog stick issues on your controllers right from your Android device. DriftGuard is created for gamers who want better control and smoother gameplay. It supports popular PlayStation controllers like PS4, PS5, and PS5 Edge and works by connecting your controller to your phone via USB. Once connected, DriftGuard gives you real-time feedback on your analog stick movements, helping you detect problems like stick drift before they affect your gaming. You'll be able to see exactly how each stick is performing and make adjustments on the fly. The app's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. You get interactive visuals that display stick behavior as you move the controls, and the built-in event log keeps track of all your tests and adjustments. This makes it simple to monitor performance over time and know exactly what changes you've made. One of the key features of DriftGuard is its advanced calibration options. You can fine-tune your controller's responsiveness based on your preferences and eliminate dead zones or drift issues without having to replace hardware components. This is especially valuable for gamers who rely on precise movements in competitive or fast-paced games. Setting up the app is fast. Just plug in your controller using a compatible USB cable and let DriftGuard automatically recognize the device. You'll receive high-precision analytics and diagnostic data to help you understand exactly what's happening inside your controller's sticks. While the app contains ads and offers in-app purchases, the core functions help make your controller feel almost new again. Whether you're suffering from light stick drift or just want to keep your gear in top condition, DriftGuard puts the tools you need into the palm of your hand. If you're serious about gaming and want a smarter way to maintain your controllers, DriftGuard could be the solution you've been looking for. Try it out and take control of your gaming experience like never before.